Good afternoon everyone. So as you know that we have completed our syllabus. So from now we will start revising all the chapters. For that I will provide you some questions from the last chapter, that is chapter number 22, chemical coordination and integration. Okay, and from this chapter today I will give you some questions. You have to write down the answers and I will discuss the answers in my next class. Okay, so I will write down the questions on the board. Please everyone write it down in your copy and try to solve the questions at your home. Okay, so first I will give you some fill in the blanks. So as you can see that first fill in the blank I have already written on the board. So what is the question? The question is that the dash are called as ductless gland. You have to fill the gap. Okay, dash are called as ductless gland. Now come to the next question. Next question, hypothalamus is the basal part of dash. Hypothalamus is the basal part of the dash. Third question. Third question is that dash stimulates the pituitary synthesis and release of gonadotropins. I am repeating the question. Dash stimulates the pituitary synthesis and release of gonadotropins. Next question. Okay, now I will provide you some questions. Okay, so now next question, write the differences between exocrine and endocrine glands. Okay, next question is that write the differences between exocrine and endocrine gland. Now next question, what do you mean by hormone? Next question is that what do you mean by hormone? Okay. Okay. Now which type of hormones can be released from hypothalamus. Okay, next question. Just a minute. So, what is the third question? Third question is that which type of hormones can be released from the hypothalamus? Okay. Next, what is the function of inhibitory hormones? Okay, this is the next question. What is the function of inhibitory hormones? Next and the last question. How hypothalamus regulate the functions of pituitary hormones? Okay, so this is the last question. How hypothalamus regulate the function of pituitary hormones, or you can call it pituitary gland, or the hormones which are released from the pituitary gland. So today I have provided the question from the basic part and from the hypothalamus. Okay, as you know that many endocrine glands are there. So I will discuss all the glands. I will provide you different type of questions from all the gland, and you have to practice all those. Okay, so for today that's it. In my next class I will discuss about the answer of this question, and I will provide you the some other questions. Okay, so thank you and bye bye everyone.